It's lunchtime. Ayan, lunchtime po, lunchtime. Tingnan niyo po, gigil na gigil, oh. Gusto niya talaga pagkain, oh. Nene, oh. Nene, oh. Kakain na po kami. Lunchtime po. Ayun. Oh. Beef and vegetables. Ayan, oh. Beef and vegetables. Oh, binili ni nanay. Oh, nanay, oh. Yum. Yummy na, nene. Oh, nene, oh. Oh. Yum. 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 Yan po talaga yan, nanay. Teka muna, wait lang. Water mo, water. Naka. Dali na, naka. Kita nyo po, ang takaw. Ay, wag yun. Not that one. Not that one, anak. Not that one, not that one. Here. No. Yum, yum. Yeah. Diba po? Ang dali niyang pakainin. Hindi yan maarti eh. Hindi po yan maarti. Opo, eto. Oh, another. Yummy. Ay. Yummy. Yummy po, yummy. Para kang ibon eh. Nga. Oh. Here. Oh. Dalian mo. Mamaya sa ilong mo mapasuot eh. No, that's sharp. Don't touch it. You don't touch it. Dirty. Anak, oh. What's in there? What's up there? Tingnan niyo po, oh. What's up there? You can see flower. Oo. Yes po. Ma'am, si Ate Sani tulog ng tulog, oh. Ate Sani, you tulog? What's up there? Ay, sorry po. Yeah. Yum. Ay. It smells yummy. Smells yummy. Is it yummy? Is this yummy? Is this yummy? Hello? 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 Ano kaya yun? Oo. Opo. Oh. Mm. Mm. Hmm? Good girl. I think you like this one better. Huh? You like this one better? Huh? Mm-mm. This is beef for 6 months. Beef and vegetables. I cannot read. I cannot read. It's too little. The writings are too little. Can you read it for me? Can you read it for me? Can you please read this for me, Baba? Yes. Oh, read. I can't read eh. Why are you scratching? Mosquito bite you? Oh. Naughty mosquito ah. Oh. Where's the mosquito? Ah. Hang on. Where's the mosquitoes? Do you see any mosquitoes? Anywhere? Do you see any mosquitoes? Huh? Oh. More? Aba talaga ha? Oh. Aba talaga lang ha? Halfway ka na, nene. Oh, marami na oh. Aba pa. Nyam. Yun. Ayan. Next time, I put you in a high chair. I bought you a high chair. Huh? Yan. O siya. This one na, last one. Oh, come on. Come on, Bachang. Oh, Pepe. Yan. Yun. Oh, last one na. Alo. Ito na po, oh. Last one na po, oh. Last one na po, oh. Last one na po. O, tete. Masarap nga pala. Kaya pala niya gusto. Masarap. Okay, fine. Here. Yup. Yeah. Yup. No more na. Enough water. Enough. That's enough. That's enough water. That's enough water. That's enough water. Okay. You did very well, Baba. Huh? You did very well, huh? Huh? Then, this is for your dinner tonight. Actually, tingnan natin. Where's the rest of them? I think, ayun. Here. Ayan. Ito po yung kanyang, binili ko kanina, lumabas kami, kaya medyo nasunog. Nasunog ang batutay. Ayan, beef and vegetables. Meron din po siyang pumpkin, potato, and sweet corn. Ayan, healthy to, Baba, healthy. Promise. You stay there. And this is for her breakfast, apple, banana, and oats. Ayan, yan po, ito po breakfast niya. Yan, breakfast. Pero nagluluto din po ako ng fresh na potato, pumpkin, kasi salo sila na Ate Sunshine sa pumpkin. And, yes, I know. She loves Sunshine. She loves Ate Sunshine, don't you? Don't you? You do, don't you? Yes? Okay. And this is the other one. Ito po, isa pa, dinner. Chicken and vegetables. Yung isa po ay beef and vegetables. Tapos ito, chicken and vegetables. Masarap po siya, mura lang. Tapos ito naman yung pumpkin. This can be her, breakfast. These two. 4 lang muna binili ko. Ayan. Kasi pumunta kami kanina sa groceries. Ayan. Tago na natin to, Nene, ha? Tago na natin, ha? Pool? Tummy pool? Tummy pool, yeah? Is your tummy full now? Yeah? Yay! Full tummy. Playtime na. And then tulog, ha? Oh. Ito po yung kanyang favorite. Oo. Yan na. You ready na? Okay. Say bye-bye na, Nene. Bye-bye na, Nene. Bye-bye na. Here. Bye-bye po. Ayan. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye. Ayan, natabingi po. Bye-bye.